Hey everybody, and welcome to our channel. Today, Jackson and I created a monster truck sensory bin. What is a sensory bin, you may be asking? Well, a sensory bin is something for babies, toddlers, preschoolers, or anybody that needs some sensory input therapy or sensory integration therapy. We're going to be chatting about how to make this fun monster truck sensory bin. You can get a lot of this stuff at Walmart or on Amazon. I have the links down below, so you can check that out. So without further ado, here we go. To our channel, we are doing monster truck sensory bin today. Woo! Can you go woo? Are you excited? Woo! Oh, we're excited. Jackson's birthday, he got a lot of, I think he got 3 of the Monster Dirt sets with the Monster Jam trucks, and they came with special kinetic sand dirt and these molds. So what we're gonna do is we got terracotta clay. And we figured, what are we going to do with this? We figured we're going to make ramps, because you have to have ramps in a monster truck sensory bin, right? Yeah. Yeah. You can't have ramps without monster jam. And so we're going to do that, and it's going to take a little while for it to dry, and then we'll come back and we'll finish putting it together. Does that sound good? Yeah. All right. Woo! We're back. Okay, so this is what it ended up looking like. We put them in the ramps, and they took about, what, 4 days to dry? Look at that, it looks like kinetic sand and kinetic rock mixed together. So that's the material that came with the thing. But we don't have enough, so let's get out some, what, Jackson? We're going to get out some brown kinetic sand.
It's used a lot.
Make it look like it's used a lot?
Yeah.
Just like we did with the other parts, huh?
Just the ramps. Yeah.
Are you ready to dump in the dirt?
Just as soon as I get all these tire tracks.
All right, let's do the dirt. Your fingers.
Have to repaint it.
Yeah, we can do that. He said we had to have it in there.
You can just go right in there and go to do that good.
All right, we found these are little flames, so I guess that's the or little explosions. That's the finish line right there. And then we have little mini monster trucks that actually work perfect. Here, show us, Jack. found this video helpful, please like our video. We'd love for you to be a part of our family, so subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of new videos.